Hey guys, so I'm here to show you one of my favorite volumizing and lengthening mascaras. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I feel like everyone knows this mascara in particular. And I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see how it really volumizes and lengthens my lashes. And I really like it because no other mascara gives me the length that I want and the volume at the same time. It's very hard to find a mascara that gives me both. So I'm going to put it on so you guys can see. And yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the difference between my normal lashes and lashes with the Better Than Sex mascara. You can be the judge of how amazing this mascara is. So I'm just going to finish applying this as I would usually do. So yeah, guys, this is the result of my lashes after applying the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. They also sell this in a waterproof version if you like waterproof mascara better. But as you can see, it lengthens and volumizes my lashes at the same time. It holds a curl for the whole day, and I really like this mascara. And all my friends love it too, and we all have like different kinds of lashes, like short, long, curly, not curly, and we all love this mascara. So yeah, this is like my go-to mascara. It's always in my makeup bag, so definitely try this out and see this results in your lashes.